Now this illustration deals with protection of conductors in accordance with 230.208. Now this is basically what the industry kind of calls the 6 times rule. Notice that those conductors from the secondary side of that transformer routed over and connecting to the terminals or the lugs of the overcurrent device, CB, is 1200 amp rated. Notice in the NEC loop, we say before starting to design or install this type of installation, be sure to review 230.208, 240.101A, and where transformers are involved, review 450.3 Informational Note 1 and Table 450.3A, which deals with systems over 1,000 volts. And for protection, we are referenced to 240.100 and 240.101 from that informational note and 450.3A. Now, what they're saying here, if those underground conductors are 200 amps rated each, that we could apply 230.208 in step 1 for a circuit breaker and size it at 6 times 200. And notice a 200 amp circuit breaker times 6 is 1200 amp sitting, which lines up with protecting transformers in accordance with table 450.3A and 450.3A when we review the informational note there. So basically speaking, figure 6-56 little a deals with protection requirements of systems over 1,000 volts in accordance with NEC 230.208.